Demonstration of S5-E01P 4-5 K-48 setting. You can download SolisCloud App by scanning the QR code on the quick installation manual. Turn on Bluetooth switch on your mobile phone and then open the SolisCloud app. Click More Tools, Local Operation, Connect with Bluetooth. Select the Bluetooth signal from the inverter. If you are the installer, please select the account type as installer. If you are the plant owner, please select the account type as owner. Then set your own initial password for control verification. The first login must be finished by installer in order to do the initial setup. Click the setting page. Set the work mode. Recommended setting is self-use mode. This mode can maximize the use of PV power generation for household electricity, or store it in batteries and use it for household electricity. Set the charging source setting. PV and grid are recommended. Set the time setting. You can change it according to the actual time. Set the buzzer alarm enable. You can choose to turn the buzzer alarm enable function on or off. Set the battery model. If there is no battery connected for the moment, please select no battery to avoid alarms. It must be based on the battery model that is actually connected to the inverter. For lithium battery, please select lithium battery. For lead acid battery, please select lead acid. If you choose a lithium battery, you can change the battery SoC according to your needs. Set the output setting. Set the backup enabled. When you select on, AC output port is enabled. When you select off, AC output port is disabled. Backup port reference voltage setting can be set to 220 volts or 230 volts depending on the load specification. Bypass power supply reference frequency setting can be set 50 Hz or 60 Hz.